everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a pass using on eFootball, mobile. Now let's say you want to cancel the pass using the virtual controller. How do you do it? First you have to launch the game on your device, start a match or resume a previously saved match. And once you've done that, the next step to take is tap and hold the pass button, usually represented by an arrow icon. So once you've passed and tap and hold the pass button, the next step you need to take is hold it down until the pass is cancelled. I should repeat that. Launch the eFootball mobile on your device, start a match or resume a previously saved match, then tap and hold the pass button, usually represented by an arrow icon, until the pass is cancelled. It is as simple as that. Please note that the exact steps may vary depending on your device and the version of the game you are playing. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.